Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video. And in this video, I want to start the video by first giving you the short-term price action that I'm expecting for the next coming hours, and also discuss the trade setup that I have here on the Matic chart before I can share out my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. You can also see that in the previous hours, we have seen a break above a significant area of resistance at the 0.8672, flipping it back into support. And after breaking that key area of resistance, whatever we can watch out for the next coming hours is a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then I will be expecting higher prices here on the Matic chart, where we can have the $0.9 as the first target area, then the 0.9804, which is also a key area of resistance, as the second target area for that trade to the upper side, and a break above the 0.9, flipping it back into support maybe with a retest. We can easily see Matic get above the $1 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that in case we don't see a successful retest of this key area of resistance over here, and maybe at some point we lose it, then we can expect a bit of a retracement over here. And for us to still expect higher prices, Matic needs to continue holding above these significant lows that you have at the 0.8345, and as long as those significant lows continues to hold, we can expect that massive bounce back to the upside, break above the 0.9, then see a massive run up to the 0.98, which is a significant area of resistance, and a break above that, then watch for Matic to get above the $1 in the next coming hours. And for me, I have a long trade setup here on the Matic chart, where I have my entry above the 0.8672, and I have my stop loss on these lows that we have down here at the 0.8355, because I don't want to see Matic lose these significant lows. And that is the price action that I'm expecting for the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. You can see that on the daily chart back in 2020, Matic gave us these significant lows down here before we saw this massive run up, taking us to all-time highs above the $2.9 in a move that I'm terming as the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the all-time highs, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we fully maximized, and there are high chances that in the next coming months or maybe weeks, we are going to see a reaction of this area, continue seeing higher prices, break above the $1.5, which is a significant area on the charts, and a break above that area of resistance or maybe that range, we can easily see Matic give us another massive push to the upside, taking us to all-time highs in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3 over here. Then expect a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 4 before we can see even higher prices in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $5, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upside to do, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term, and that is the trade setup that I have for the next coming hours on the Matic chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.